Hi and welcome to this Comics and Lit guide to AQA Language Paper 1, Section A. In this video, I'll cover the tips and techniques for question 1, but don't forget to visit Comics and Lit for upcoming videos on all the other questions too. We'll be using an AQA sample paper as our example. It uses an extract from the novel Life of Pi by Jan Martel. If you want to practice alongside my walkthrough, I've linked the extract in the comments so you can download a copy. Question 1 is worth 4 marks and tests you on the skill of comprehension. That's your basic understanding of the text. The question instructs you to look at a specific section of the source. In our example, this is lines 1 to 9. You are given 4 simple questions with 3 multiple choice answers. You should shade the circle in the box indicating the correct answer for each question. Before answering, quickly reread the section instructed. Then simply read each question in turn and select the answer which you think is correct. Let's do one together. I'll read the section of the source first, then present you with each multiple choice question. It was the hyena that worried me. I had not forgotten Father's words. Hyenas attack in packs whatever animal can be run down. They go for zebras, gnus, and water buffaloes, and not only the old or the infirm in a herd, but full-grown members too. They are hardy attackers, rising up from the buttings and kickings immediately, never giving up for simple lack of will. And they are clever. Anything that can be distracted from its mother is good. I could hear the hyena whining. I clung to the hope that a zebra, a familiar prey, and an orangutan, an unfamiliar one, would distract it from the thoughts of me. I kept one eye on the horizon, one eye on the other end of the lifeboat. Now, look at question 1.1. What worries Pi about the hyena? The options are its appearance, remembering what his father told him about hyenas, and the noise it is making. Can you identify the correct answer? It's the second option, remembering what his father told him about hyenas, which links to the sentence, I had not forgotten my father's words. As you can see, the wording is not exactly the same, which is where you are being tested on your close reading skills. Now, pause the video and look at the other 3 questions. Decide which option you would choose for each. So, the correct answers were 1.2, hyenas attack as a group. 1.3, hyenas are tough attackers. And 1.4, Pi hopes the other animals on the boat will distract the hyenas. Hopefully you can see this question is straightforward and should bag you an easy 4 marks, provided you read the text carefully before answering.